Hello students, this is Nitin Mahod and here we are going to see the universal logic gates. In the previous video, we have already seen what the basic logic gates are and now we are moving on to the universal logic gates. And or and not gates are called the basic logic gates since any of the logic circuit can be designed using these gates. While NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates since using only NAND gates or only NOR gates, all the basic gates can be constructed. These universal gates are easier and economical to fabricate. First we will see the NAND gate. It is a logic gate having output low only when all the inputs are high, means it behaves exactly in opposite manner to that of AND gate. Here the Boolean equation for the NAND gate, the logic symbol for the NAND gate and the truth table for two input NAND gate is shown. Y equals to A into B whole bar is the Boolean equation of NAND gate, while the logic symbol is basically NAND gate is the NOT gate followed by AND gate. But for that it will require two gates required to be used to represent it. As a symbol, NAND gate is represented as AND gate followed by a small bubble. This bubble actually indicates the NOT or inversion. So this is the symbol of logic symbol of NAND gate. So far the truth table of the NAND gate is concerned, two input NAND gate truth table is like this. When the inputs are 0, 0, so if we put A equal to 0, B equal to 0, so 0 into 0 you will get 0 and 0's bar will be 1, so you will get 1. Similarly, here also 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0 and 0's bar will be 1, so you will get 1, 1 here also. For the last condition 1, 1, when the inputs are high, both the inputs are high, then 1 into 1 you will get 1 and 1's bar will be equal to 0. So this is the truth table for the NAND gate. It is basically a NOT gate followed by an AND gate. Small circle at the output of AND gate symbolizes inversion. Moving on to another universal gate, that is NOR gate. It is a logic gate having output high only when all the inputs are low. It behaves exactly in opposite manner to that of OR gate. The Boolean equation for the NOR gate is Y equals to A plus B whole bar, while the logic symbols can be represented as OR gate followed by a NOT gate or an inversion which is represented by a bubble. As a separate gates you can show here OR gate and then NOT gate. Two input NOR gate truth table is like this. Here for 0, 0 you will get 0 plus 0, that is 0 and 0's bar will be 1. Similarly for the remaining conditions 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is also 1 and 1's bar will be 0, so you will get 0 for all these three conditions. And hence we already said here this gate is having output high only when all the inputs are low. It is basically a NOT gate followed by an OR gate. Small circle at the output of OR gate symbolizes inversion. Then construction of basic gates using only NAND gates, and this is the reason why the NAND gate and NOR gates are called as the universal gates. So here we are going to construct a NOT gate by using only NAND gate. What we are going to do here, on shorting both the inputs of NAND gate, it inverts an input at its output and behaves as a NOT gate. So you can see here the two inputs of NAND gate, they are shorted together and a single input is taken as A, and hence at the output you will get A bar, Y equal to A bar, which is the logic equation for NOT gate, and hence here the NAND gate is getting converted into NOT gate. Then construction of AND gate by using only NAND gates. When NOT gate is follows NAND gate, NOT gate which is also made using NAND gate follows NAND gate, the final output becomes Y equal to A into B. which is a Boolean equation of AND gate. So here, this is the NAND gate basically. A and B are the inputs, so output will be A into B whole bar. Now A into B whole bar is the input for NOT gate. Why this is NOT gate? Because this is the NAND gate which is converted into NOT gate by shorting the inputs. So A into B bar will be converted into A into B double bar, and A into B double bar by Boolean laws we can write A into B, and Y is equal to A into B is nothing but the Boolean equation for AND gate. So this way the AND gate is constructed by using only NAND gates. Then construction of OR gate from NAND gates. Two independent inputs A and B are provided to NOT gates made using NAND gates. Here you can see. So its output will be A bar, and here the output will be B bar, which will be the inputs of the NAND gate, and therefore at the output of the NAND gate we will get A bar into B bar whole bar. Now by applying De Morgan's second law, which is like this, A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar to the final output. Here A bar into B bar whole bar, if we apply the same law, we will get A double bar plus B double bar, which is nothing but A plus B. That is the logic equation for OR gate. So applying NOT gate at its output, here if we apply one NOT gate by using NAND gate, means this gate if we apply here, we will get the NOR gate. Then construction of basic gates using only NOR gates. This is the second type of universal gate. Here again in the similar manner as we have done it in NAND gate, here the two inputs of NOR gates are shorted together and a NOR gate is converted into NOT gate. For conversion of NOR gate into OR gate, what we are doing here, a NOR gate followed by a NOT gate using NOR gate is shown. So this is a NOR gate which gives output A, B. For the inputs A and B, the output will be A plus B whole bar, and when A plus B whole bar will be applied as an input to this NOT gate, here we will get A plus B double bar, that is A plus B, and Y equal to A plus B is the Boolean equation of OR gate. Similarly, construction of AND gate by using only NOR gates. Here two independent inputs A and B are provided to the NOT gates which are constructed using NOR gates. So here you will get A bar and here you will get B bar. This A bar and B bar will be the inputs for the third NOR gate, and therefore its output will be A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now applying De Morgan's first law, that is A plus B whole bar equals to A bar into B bar. So here we are getting A bar plus B bar whole bar, that will be converted into A double bar into B double bar, which is nothing but A into B, and hence this gets converted into the AND gate. Now if I apply one more NOT gate here, this gate here, I will get the logic circuit or logic diagram for the NAND gate. I hope the idea of universal gates, the working of NAND gate, NOR gate, and construction of all the basic gates by using only NAND gates and only NOR gates is clear to you. Thank you.